What's up, nail friends? So I have a box here from Kiara Sky, and I ordered some of the new jelly polishes. So these polishes are limited edition, and I ordered a couple because I wanted to test them out and do some swatches and show you guys. So I thought I would just open this up and unbox this and show you guys on camera. So let's get started. So I ordered in 6 of the jelly polishes, and I ordered 2 more of the No Wipe top coat because these are my favorite top coat ever. I use it in every single tutorial, so I wanted to make sure I had extras, especially because Christmas is coming up and, you know, don't want to be without top coat. So I ordered these 6 specifically because I have never seen like an orange or like baby pink or yellow gel, so I really wanted to try those colors. So I've got my swatches here, and let's get started. Okay, the first one I want to check out is called Black Tie. So this is a black jelly polish. So these are really good to use on top of a nude nail, and then if you draw a black design over top, it looks really cool. So let's see how this turns out. Oh, that's really nice so far. So you can build these up. So that's just 1 coat. So I'll do 2 coats of all of these if they need it. And I really like this so far because I do actually have another black one, and it is really streaky. So you have to like really work it. But this one didn't go on streaky. It's very smooth and even. So I gave that 1 cure, and now I'm just gonna come in and give it a 2nd coat to build that color up. But you don't need to. So these are supposed to be see-through. So they are jelly. So these are really fun to use. I did a bunch of jelly tutorials in the summer, so I will link those in the top corner. Yeah, that's great. It's so smooth. It's totally not streaky. I love it. So here's how Black Tie looks with just 2 coats on it and a top coat. I really like this one. It's the only one I've swatched so far, but I think it's gonna be my favorite. I guess we'll see. Okay, the next one I'm gonna try is this jelly one called Orange You Sweet. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, that's really bright. It definitely doesn't look like that when you look at the container. So let's do 2 coats of this. Okay, so obviously it's not as bright when you put it on the nail because it's a jelly color, but wow, that's really cool. This is gonna be really great in the summer. Wow, these polishes are in really good consistency. Okay, so that's how the 1 coat cured, and I'm just gonna do a 2nd just to see them built up. These are so smooth and consistent. I really like them. So here's how it looks finished. That was Orange You Sweet with the top coat on it. These are really cute. I'm really into it. I'm really into the jelly nail trend. This next jelly one is called Sugar Coated. So I'm assuming it's gonna be like a light pink or nude or something. Oh, okay, it's kind of like a nude jelly, which is super unique. I've never seen a nude looking jelly on the market. It's gonna be really, really light. But like I said, you can build these up. And since the color is so smooth and consistent, I don't think you'll have a problem with streaking. Okay, I'm gonna build up this sugar-coated color with a 2nd coat. So I did give this a good shake before starting. That is so cool. This would look so pretty in like a wedding set with some lace. I should do something like that. So here's how Sugar Coated looks with the top coat on it. It is so cool. It's seriously so unique. Like, I've never seen any jelly brand with this range of colors. I'm so glad I picked these ones. I really like it. So that's what that looks like. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one here is this yellow one called You Glow Girl. Ooh, it's like a highlighter. Love it. That is so cool. I am so excited to use these in an actual tutorial. So it's just 1 coat, and of course I'll do a 2nd. Okay, I'm gonna apply my 2nd coat. That looks really cool. All of these will look really cool matte too, because they kind of come out of the lamp kind of matte, so you can kind of see what they would look like matte. That's really cool. I like that too. So here is how You Glow Girl looks. Seriously, I like these way more than I actually thought I would. I just didn't think they were gonna be so pigmented. They're so nice. I just really like them. So that's my jam. So this is a pink one. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, so that one is so pretty. I really like that. Again, I'll do 2 coats, top coat it, and yep, show you the rest. Okay, adding my second coat now to build the color up. That is so pretty. Okay, with top coat, here's how That's My Jam looks. I love how dark and pretty this is. I kind of was expecting it to be like a bright pink, but I actually really like the color it came out as. Okay, the last one I have is called Oh Fudge. So I have no idea what this one looks like. I can't tell by the packaging. I kind of thought maybe it'd be brown or almost like a nude. I'm not really sure, but I got it because I think it's gonna be interesting and something unique. So let's take a look. Okay, cool. It is kind of like brown caramel. Interesting. Okay, let's give that 2 coats and a cure. Okay, I'm just applying that second coat. Such an interesting, unique color. Again, it's kind of like, could be nude and would look really nice in like a nude lacy kind of set. Super pretty. That's how Oh Fudge looks, all done with the top coat. What do you guys think? I think it's super interesting and unique, but I know there's a way I can find to use this, so yeah. Okay, so here are all 6 colors that I just swatched. Which one do you guys like the most? Which one is your favorite? I am actually really liking all of them. I was surprised by all of them and the coverage. I was surprised by the colors that they actually turned out to be. I was not expecting them to be so pigmented. I really like the black because it's hard to get a good black that's not streaky. This one is super bright and pretty in person, so is the yellow. I really like these 2 for maybe a nude set. I don't really have a favorite. I honestly like them all, and I feel like if I can, I'm gonna try to get it in the rest of the collection. So I really like these colors. So if you guys want me to post a tutorial using some of these colors, please let me know down below which one you want me to use in a tutorial, and I'll find a way to incorporate it with whatever one gets the most comments. I hope you guys like this little haul swatch video, and check back for more videos and swatches and reviews. And don't forget to click that bell next to the subscribe button so that my videos show up in your subscription section on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!